So we previously spoke about the production process and how it is important to understand the production process in the management of agribusiness, whether it's a good or a service, that you may put together these activities and these inputs to give a certain output efficiently. So now we're going to talk a little bit about a little mathematical understanding behind the production process. And we will start with what we call the function f of x is equal to y. And this is x. Okay? So the equation f of x is equal to y just states that the output y is dependent on the combination of the x's. Let's go down a little further. For example, if we have inputs, the inputs are also what we call independent variables. That means no matter what happens in the system, they are sole elements by themselves. They are total complete elements by themselves that are added to the production process. All right, which is here. So let us look at, for example, a crop production enterprise. So in a crop production enterprise, we'll have, say, for example, land / soil fertility. So soil fertility and productivity. Then you have water or irrigation. Now you have to have, for example, labor, which is for fertilizer application, weed control and pest control and cultural practices to carry out all of that. Then you will have to have the planting material. And these are all these x's, if you realize, are normally what we call variable costs. Some costs can be fixed costs as well. But when we look at the enterprise profitability will be analyzed in terms of variable costs, because the fixed costs are normally costs that are borne across farm enterprises. So this farm enterprise might just be a sweet potato farm, or this enterprise might just be a honey production enterprise. And the inputs, the process, and the outputs can classify what you're doing there to look at how much of it goes to the market, how much goes to home manufacturing, how much is locally demanded, how much is wasted, how much is lost, and how much actually goes back into as inputs. So if we look at sweet potatoes, how much of the sweet potatoes can go back?